Hey guys, it's Sandy from Balloon Utopia. I am here on a job site and we are making an ivy arch, an arch that's laced with ivy. So you see here I have my pole. The kind of pole I'm using is not important. I have a video that shows you how to make the frame from PVC, so just do it this way. What is important is that you may notice that I've already made some garland. I've made them in lengths of 10 quads each so that it's going to be easy for me to just pack them onto the line and get out of the way to move on to the next thing. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm just going to kind of like basically put the pole down into the balloons, and you see I've already taped it all together so I have the entire 25 feet ready to go. I'm just going to kind of put it in, and now I'm just going to rotate the balloons around to trap it inside. Okay, and I'm just going to do like every other quad to make it nice and tight. Just like this. Popsy daisy. And we have lots of videos that show you how to make the garland, how to make the pole, so you can go see those videos, you know, to get the information on how to do those pieces. So you see I'm basically going to just keep putting it together. I have a pop balloon there. I'm just going to blow one up and tie it right in. So actually, you know what? Stay here. I'll show you how I do that. Here we go. I don't have any more extra ones inflated, so I'm just going to blow it up real quick. Kind of measure it in. Yep, right about there. That should work. I'm going to tie it off. And then you see I'm grabbing the piece of the balloon that broke. Do you see that? I'm grabbing the piece of the balloon that broke, and I'm basically going to use that and tie it right in. You see? And that's just going to disappear in the arch, okay? So you don't even need to worry about that. Okay, so here's what we got going. I'm going to continue with this. You guys don't need to watch the whole thing. You've seen it before until we get it all done, and then I'll show you the next step. Hey guys! Alright, so quick thing. I was popping a lot of balloons as I was grabbing them, which tells me that I got something sharp going on here, even though it doesn't feel sharp to me. So you really want to have in your I got it box or your just in case box a nail file. It can come in really, really handy, because if you're finding that like one or two balloons pops kind of in the same way, then it's probably you and not the balloon. So really recommend keeping one of these in your box. There we go. Be back. Okay, so we got our arch set up on the base plates. Again, I have other videos that show you how to do it. You know, essentially you're just going to put the EMT down over the PVC down over the EMT. Go check out my video, How to Make a Balloon Arch Frame, and that will give you everything you need to know there. So now the net result is that we have our arch ready, but I want to put ivy all over it. That's really what's like the whole purpose of the coral color is to be a mat to the ivy. And I really want it to feel kind of like lush and jungly, so we're going to lace this all in. I got this on Amazon. It's just plastic ivy. So I'm kind of short, so I'm going to need to bring this down a little bit more. All right. So what I'm going to do here is basically I'm crisscrossing it in like this, and then I just kind of want to lace it in a little bit. Just kind of over, under, over, under.
Can I name all friends at the table?
You see? So I'm just kind of really getting the effect of it. I'm not tying it in or anything like that. I'm just kind of lacing it in. Now, like I said, I want kind of a lush feel on this. So, let me undo the twist tie. So I'm also going to, I want it kind of hanging a little bit. So I'm going to kind of like take some points here. and I'm gonna let it hang a little bit too. So basically, you know, usually what we do is like, the first pass is kind of just laying the groundwork, the mechanics, and then at the end we'll like kind of go through and manicure it to make it look more natural or more whatever. Okay, so we're gonna keep doing this. I'll come back when it's all done. You get the idea. You don't need to watch me do the whole thing. Okay, so here you see we got all the ivy in it, and there we go. This is the ivy art. I hope you enjoy, and if you did, make sure that you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tell all your friends to subscribe. Tell them to like the video, share the video, and leave me a comment. Tell me what else you want. Until next time, go forth and balloonify.